Do you know how Nvidia became the largest company in the world in a very short time? First, let's know what is Nvidia. Nvidia, established in 1993 in Silicon Valley, has become a global leader in advanced computing technologies, renowned for its GPUs and innovations in AI. The company's impact spans industries from gaming to AI-driven solutions, driving technological advancements worldwide. Behind all of this is Jensen Huang. Now let's move towards our topic of what this person did with his company. The company's revenue increased from $26.974 billion to $60.92 billion in just 1 year. And now this company has become the world's most demanded and largest company, surpassing other companies like Google and Apple that are competing in AI. They cannot do anything without Nvidia because Nvidia manufactures GPUs, and many GPUs are needed to create and run such processes. A few years ago, when Nvidia was investing in AI, everyone did not believe that AI was worth it for the world. But now, everyone worldwide agrees with this. Nvidia has made two types of graphics cards. First, GTX graphics. These GPUs only performed well in games. Then Nvidia launched its new GPU RTX, which can enhance the performance of everything like VFX, 3D design, and coding. And now, for running every major program, a GPU is required. And Nvidia makes the best GPUs. That is why Nvidia is considered the largest company in the world today, and its demand in the stock market has also increased significantly. So a GPU company like this has left big companies behind.